My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
cheese toasties. For this you will need a toaster, obviously, some toaster bags, bread and a cheese. Place your cheese on the bread, quite thin. Leave a gap at the top and the bottom. Right. Place into toaster bag. Put the toaster bags into your toaster and toast in a normal manner. You need to use tongs to remove the toast because it's very hot. Very hot indeed. And now for the taste test. Wonderful. 10 out of 10 on the yummy scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.